back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making something extra special. I'm using this cup for measurement. Add 3 cups of all-purpose in a bowl. And 1 cup of cocoa powder. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar in it. Now crack eggs and separate egg yolks. I'm using 4 eggs. Like, share, subscribe. Remove if you can, otherwise it's not a problem. Beat it with the help of beater for 5 to 6 minutes. Until it's foamy. Like this. Now add 1 cup of oil in dry ingredients. And mix it well. You can add more oil if you need. Now add egg whites in it. And yolks as well. Make sure you mix it properly. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. One tablespoon of baking powder. Add half cup of hot water and mix it well. Now add this in a mold. Remove air bubbles. Now preheat this up for 10 minutes. I use this only for baking. It's a good alternate if you don't use oven. Once it's ready, place your mold on stand. Bake it for 45 minutes on low flame. Are you ready? It's perfectly done. Remove paper from the cake. Look how soft it is. You need to try this and give me your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.